The fungi or eukaryotic organism possess unique cell wall and cell membrane that can serve as target for antifungal agents. Polyene antifungal agents such as Amphotericine B target the fungal cell membrane. The cell membrane of fungi is similar to other eukaryotic cell and it is composed of lipid bilayer in which protein embedded in it. A major component of cell membrane is sterol and which is absent in prokaryotic cell. One of the essential sterol of cell membrane is ergosterol. In most fungi, it replaces cholesterol component in higher eukaryotic cell membrane. Ergosterol provides stability and flexibility to cell membrane. Amphotericine B is a lipophilic molecule that they penetrate fungal cell wall and insert in cell membrane and bind to ergosterol component, and amphotericin B aggregate to ergosterol. This leads to the formation of pores in cell membrane and resulting loss of ions like potassium ion and other molecules, and ultimately disrupt or leaking of component and fungal cell death. Amphotericin B has also effect on oxidation and having antifungal activity.